Hey, what's up guys? Patrick here with JP Tech. Today we're gonna do the unboxing for the iRobot S9. Alright, so let's get to it. Got the knife. So exciting. Look at this. Alright. I don't think we're gonna need the knife. Oh, how nice is that? Very slick design. Okay, first box. What do we have here? We have one filter, we have one brush, and then we have the power cable. Okay, that's pretty much it for this one. And then, this is the vacuum itself. Little paper dust in it. And then, we have the charging port, charging base. Okay, and then we have a little bit of paper here, the manual, the user manual. Alright, so let's get into the vacuum. Okay, so this is the base, and then you put it right here. How cool is that? And then this is the cable. This is the cable. The cable goes in the back. Let's see. Okay, look right here. Uh-oh. Got it. Okay, and under it we got two brush, wheel, another brush. You have extra one. Let me see if we have another filter. Yeah, it comes with a filter inside. This is the bin. And that's how you open the lid. This is the filter. That's how you open the bin. You just press this one. Right. Yeah, overall, I like it. Feels very premium. I like the design. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.